Hi, I'm Leno, and now I'm gonna make a horse toy video. So I'll begin with my dogs that I have. It's not so big yet, but I have a lot of dogs. This is Custard. They all are walking there. There is Custard. There's Bully. The white one is Whitey. That one there is Goldie. That one that's laying down is Boldy. And the sea lion, I don't know why he's here, but I think I'll call him Owie. Ow, ow. That is Whitey and Ginger. No, Ginger's a horse. Sorry. Whitey is this. Where's my hand? Where's my hand? Oh, there's my hand. The white one is Gingy, yeah. Whitey. Whitey is the white one. Whitey is the white one. And the gray one is Gingy. This one is that one in there. Better come out there, little Squeaky. He doesn't want to come out. Sorry. So I'm freaking out. So here he is. That is Moon Knight. Now you go in your cage, okay, Moon Knight? There's a girl looking there, and that's Inisa. And she's looking at a horse, Jumpy. Inisa, show your costume. I'm Supergirl. Woohoo! And he has a food. I'm gonna move and go down. That is Sydney. He's also gonna turn her. I am a princess with beautiful long hair. It's a wig. Yeah, it's really a wig. It's a wig. It's so a wig. So long a wig. Our little pups down there. Now, is that a new horse? Yep. This is Appaloosa. She has a little full, but a little bit tired, and we're gonna move. This is Amika. Say hi, Amika. Hi. I'm a small kid and I like horses. I love them. Mwah. And she likes Ginger. This is Lisa. This is a cage from Moon Knight. You can call him Knight. And Knight are you gonna see in a minute. Okay. Woo! This is Snow White. She's dressed as Snow White, but her name is Brainy. She's letting a pony in. See? There is Lisa and her pony. Lisa, say hi. Hi, I'm in my bikini. Ooh. Hi, I'm gonna ride a horse in my bikini. Now I'm gonna go to the swimming pool with my horse. No, the sea. Yay! Woohoo! Come, pony. Come, pony. It's the beautiful pony. Look at her. She has this. And in somebody's video, she has the same one. I don't know actually anymore which video, but it was a video. Beautiful. Okay, so there's she testing a blankie on a pony, but it's not really so good, so it's gonna be off. Petting the pony. Wait a minute. Keep looking at her. She in the bikini. Wear a booby. So she's trying to put it on him, but he doesn't want to, I guess. So yeah. Look there. Oh, let him in. She's doing. He has a long tail. And there she's doing the blankie on Krikska. This is Krikska, Krikska, Krikska. And that is Genie. And now we're going to my house. That's not made yet because we buy it today. Woo! So the roof can go off and on. There you see his head. I'm gonna see him. Woo! There is Jeffka. Jeffka. His butt. This is other. You see? No, you don't. No, you don't see. Poor me. La-ba-doo. La-da-doo. Cutie nose. Okay, now we're going to. Wait. No, his cage. His name was Nightmare. Yeah, it was Nightmare. Yeah. There's Nightmare running in the grass. Nightmare. Come here. He's really beautiful. I mean, look at him. His hair is so beautiful. You know why I called him Nightmare? Nightmares are black. So I called him Nightmare. Because he's black. He looks very dangerous. He has cute hooves. You see them? I think that was everything. But now I'm going to show you from super far. Look. Da, 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 da.